Hello my fellow scratchers, today I am going to tell you about sprites. Sprites are built-in characters or images in Scratch that can be programmed to move, jump, rotate and do many more things by using code blocks. Here you can name your sprite. I am going to name it cat. Now this is called the x-axis and this is called the y-axis. Let's say we set x-axis to 200. See, our sprite moves along the x-axis. Now let's say we set y-axis to 100. See, our sprite moves along the y-axis. Now this button is going to hide your sprite, while this button is going to show your sprite. Here you can set the size of the sprite. Let's say we set it to 200%. See, our sprite has now doubled its size. Here you can set the rotation of your sprite. This is a sprite toolbar. It has 4 options. This is going to upload a sprite from your computer. And this is going to give you a random sprite from the Scratch's library. See, when I click it, it gives me a random sprite. With this option, you can paint your own sprite. And when I click this option, you will see different sprites. I'm going to choose this bowl. See, the bowl is shown on the stage. Now the background of the stage is called a backdrop in Scratch. This is the backdrop toolbar. It has 4 options. This is going to upload a backdrop from your computer, while this is going to give you a random backdrop from the Scratch's library. See, when I click it, it gives me a random backdrop. You can also paint your own backdrop by clicking this option. See, when I click this option, you will see different backdrops. I'm going to choose this Arctic. See, the background of the stage looks like an Arctic region. Now that's all for today guys. Till next time. Bye.